Hey yo, welcome back to the channel. I've got a very special guest today because I am going to Rikers and you're never going to believe why and who is going to be there. It's warm weather, dry roads, nodding dikers. I feel like I've done more mileage on this bike since I've decided that I'm going to sell it. Or maybe it's because it's summer. Hello. I mean, they're not there back, so they must be good people. But yeah, look at that, mate. That is gorgeous. Some of you might recognize this place already. Do you know what? I am appreciative of this bike because there's a lot I've learned. I've learned how to get confident in roundabouts and leaning. The only sports bike I might try is the ZZR 1400, which belongs to the rhythmic biker. If anyone can convince me to ride a sports bike, that's him. And if anyone can convince him to let me ride his sports bike, being the first ever sports bike I've ever ridden, I deserve it. I think that makes sense, I'm not sure. But yeah, we're just going up to Rikers now in Box Hill, and I hope that kitchen's open, because man's bare hungry. Let's see where he parked. Hey. Hello. That's gonna sound sick. Ah, it's so comfy. Ah. Fuck yeah. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, I'm back on the 650 again. Funny enough, this is the one I will be buying. Oh my god. I missed it. I missed it. Ah, it's so comfy. See if I can do U-turn.
Smile on your face.
I love it! Oh, it's so nice to ride. So easy. Choo-hoo! Choo-hoo! I missed it, man. Wait, let's roll. For reference, you got behind me is Alex and his Z650. That has been really looked after, and that is the one I'll be buying off of him. So yes, we are becoming Kawasaki again. Look at that! Yeah! I love it! I can't go too quick because we just come out of Rikers and it is an average 50 here. Oh, you've got the Z in the taillight! Yes! Fuck, I'm so excited for it. Oh, when it hits that sunset as well. Jeez. Oh, I'm so excited. It's got a Black Widow exhaust just like mine used to have. Just a different one, so it's not that annoyingly loud. More of a bassy sound, which is actually quite great. And yeah, this guy looks after that bike really well. So I'm quite happy that he is the previous owner of the motorcycle I will be buying. He let me have a go in it as well, as you can probably see from earlier. Oh, riding that Z brought me back memories. And you know what's the best part of it as well? He's like a moto vlogger as well, which is sick, because then we can both continue the journey of the bike via content. Plus we're still going to ride up, meet up for rides as well. It's not his last bike, he will be getting another one. I'm not going to tell you which one, I'll let him introduce it when the time comes, but I'm excited for him. The bikes he's looking at are really good choices and really good options, so super excited for it. Oh, life couldn't be better. The Z650 behind me, I'm still on the Triumph for now. Lovely sunset. and it's not even that late, which means I can get back and edit some more videos for you lot, which will be sick, because I'm excited for the content you're about to see. Not that I was just there for the day, but I'm bringing you with me. So yeah, if you're not subscribed already, definitely do hit that subscribe button now. It makes me really happy every time I see that number go up, and I'm gonna accept it if it does go down as well, because if you're not just not enjoying the content, you're not. It is what it is. If you like the video, you do. It's like if you dislike the video, it is what it is. As long as it's not one person smile, that makes me happy. We're gonna have a lot more quality edits coming in, because I'm also learning the DaVinci, and we're gonna have that sick R1, sick bike. I was like, fuck, where's he gone? Also, MT-07 Alex, if you're seeing this, we're not riding staggered. We're riding parallel. Oh man, what a day. What a time to be alive. I don't know why I'm so excited. I mean, I don't know why I'm excited. I can't believe I'm this excited. Oh, we're gonna do that 70 bit as well. Yeah. Ah. I shat myself. Go on, do it, send it, send it, send it! Oh, fuck yeah! Fucking hell, he's flying into roundabouts. Alright, I'm taking this right here. See you later, bro. Lovely to see ya. Oh, man. I feel like it's going to be my best video ever. It's definitely my favourite. Sorry to everyone else who has taken a part on this channel. I do appreciate you, of course. But oh my god. We already knew that the bike is going to be sold to me. And we were just talking about Kawasaki's, the problems I've had with my specific Kawasaki. Same with the 900. Things I've done to the 900. Things that the 900 has been done to before I had it. Which wasn't a lot, actually. And then he was like, oh yeah, do you want to take it for a spin? I was like, oh shit, really? And then I decided, oh, when there's less people at Rikers, because no one wants the peer pressure. And yeah, you can probably tell from my voice and from my excitement just how much I missed it. This doesn't do it for me anymore, unfortunately. And 650, 900 and this, I've had them for the same amount of time, give or take. It's always been around 10, 12 months with each bike, the 650, 900, as well as this, the Triumph Speed 400. But I mean, yeah, I mean, you can, and it's not the fact that I'm riding my future bike. It was the fact that I want a 650 again. So look, big thank you for Alex for allowing me to experience this joy today, and I can't wait for the future of this channel and what's about to become. Thank you everyone for watching. Drop me a comment. Do you think the 650 is a good choice? Did you ever buy a motorcycle off your friend? That's what I want to know about you lot. Do you have enough trustworthy friends you would trust your future motorcycle to be in their hands? That is, I think, the correct question for you lot to ponder on whilst I hide away in a little hole editing for the next, I don't know how many hours and days. So yeah, peace and goodbye.